Statistically, the U.S. economy is overdue for a recession. This fact makes many forms of investments especially risky, but it also makes investing into transparent business even more appealing to business-savvy investors. Transparent business business model is not just recession resilient. Transparent business is one of those rare businesses which is likely to benefit from a recession, as nothing sells better during the economic downturn than cost-cutting solutions. Protection from overbilling, efficiency boosting, and other benefits of transparent business would be especially important during the budget-cutting times. Additionally, there's probably no product category more recession-proof than government-mandated services, and legislators across the country are working on making transparent verification of billable hours mandatory for all government contractors. The third reason for the recession resiliency of transparent business is that its market is global and, therefore, less dependent on the state of one particular economy. Transparent business is a low marginal cost venture, which can return to profitability by cutting expansion-related expenditures. The residual and high profit margin nature of SaaS revenues further increases the viability of transparent business during a recession. The executive team of Transparent Business has extensive experience of navigating through past recessions. Our accomplishments to the date demonstrate that Transparent Business is operating very efficiently, as they all have been achieved on minuscule funding. A recession would reduce the likelihood of other companies becoming our competitors. A significant investment is required to create a comparable product, get similar industry and media acclaim, strategic partnerships, and distribution channels. Most companies will be much more reluctant to invest in a Me Too catch-up attempt. During a recession, money does not evaporate. Instead, investment funds flow from recession-vulnerable businesses to recession-resilient ones. So we are likely to get a major boost in our fundraising as a result of recession, which would accelerate our growth. According to the National Bureau of Economic Research, there were 33 business cycles in the United States between 1854 and 2009. The average length of a growing economy is 38.7 months, or 3.2 years. The average recession lasts for 17.5 months, or 1.5 years. Thus, we shall be able to use the momentum gained during the recession to do a successful IPO at the upswing of the economy. Our existing investors include financial firms as well as current and former executives of Morgan Stanley, Merrill Lynch, JP Morgan, Stifel, Bank of America, Barclays Global Investors, UBS, Wells Fargo, Goldman Sachs, Citigroup, Deutsche Bank, and Accenture. For acquiring your stake in Transparent Business, enter your contact information at transparentbusiness.com/invest. Please note that our current round of financing is limited to $10 million, is partially completed, and may end at any moment with a venture capital fund purchasing the remainder of the allocated stock.